All right, so in this video, I'm not going to show you how to make a free landing page. I'm going to show you how to make an agency in like literally overnight, how to literally build an agency overnight and doing it all using Wix. So like be sure to join the group, the Facebook community here, where I give a lot of free access to a lot of training and things of that nature. Be sure to join the group right there. Now, what I mean is literally using Wix to build an agency. What a lot of people fail to realize is when you're building agencies, social media platforms, and things of that nature, it's good to have a portfolio. When you have a portfolio for things, it's hard. It's easier to sell. It's easier to sell. It's easier to get more clients and things of that nature. And right now, there's a big wave of entrepreneurs that's trying to get them a website, get them booking websites, online scheduling software, products websites, literally all of this stuff, personal blogs, logo makers, custom domains, SEO tools. There's what you have to do is leverage. Okay. I'm not going to break it down into the simplest of simplest. I'm going to break it down into the simple form that everyone can understand. All right. So I'm not going to go in details with every little thing. I'm going to break it down into a simple form everyone can understand. All right. So as an agency with Wix, right? The beautiful thing with an agency is you can create multiple sites under this thing for, let's say, you're creating multiple sites for clientele. Let me show you how to get the clientele. So that's that's the second thing. So be sure to join the group, things of this nature right here. So let's say I type in credit repair, right? And what I want to do is I don't want places, I want pages. All right. What I have is a list of pages of people that does credit repair. So all of these are Facebook fan pages, business owners. All right. And there's only going to be 1 to 2 people after clicking on the credit repair and messaging the page that are going to see the message. And that's the admin of the page. So this page right here have almost 40,000 likes, right? Amp credit, right? And so as I go to here, I can analyze their page, their funnel, everything they got going on, the email list and things of that nature. It's beautiful. It's pretty clear, precise site, things of that nature. They could be making money. They could be not making money. Now, here's the thing. What you can do, all right, let's see how it looks mobile. That's another major thing. It looks pretty good mobile. There's another major thing is what you can do here is you can come in, message this page owner right here. Just send a message directly to the page. All right. So you can send a message to the page and say, hey, looking to network with the business owner of AM PM credit repair. Credit repair. Who is ideal the the person to contact. All right. You can copy this message right here. Like literally control copy that. To contact regarding business. All right. All right. So copy that. And I can send this out here. I can take this. I can come over here, message the same thing to this page right here. So it's like, what in the world is their website? Ooh, marketing system. And I don't have no idea what their system is. Fees, leads, turnkeys, mastering software. So it's some SaaS. It looks like a funnel builder or things of that nature. Type software that they can use to generate leads and things of that nature. Looks pretty good. This actually looks like some pretty good software to be an affiliate of. I'm not even gonna cap to you. It looks clean enough as it presents itself. Um, what I would do is I will turn around, message this person right here. Turn around, message this person right here. Message every person on here. So I take that, paste it. Uh, I mean, obviously, yeah. Move, move. All right, paste that, and I can take this and put her name there, right there. Credit repair service, and paste, just like that. So I could take that same message and just copy and paste it for all of these pages here. As I do that, especially like the smaller pages like this. So like, let's say a small page like right here, drop with Drea, credit repair. All right, this is her landing page, this is her website. So I could take this and say, hey, and paste. Um, and I could just put Kiana's does credit repair. Look at the network with the business owner, Kiana's credit repair, who's ideal person to contact regarding a business. All right. And so I can just take that message and copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste all throughout there, right? So after I've done that, what I would do is write up a proposal. All right. Oh, wrong one. Okay. I thought the screen stopped recording for a second. All right. What I'll do is I'll write a proposal, right? And I will tell them I will build them a funnel. So you can use Wix, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use Builder All. You can. What you want to do is you want to build them a funnel, and with that funnel, you want to start driving them traffic. And I will show you exactly how to drive traffic. Just be sure to join the group, get access to the group. Boom. All right. Thank you for a message and associates. Meantime, so this is an autoresponder right there. That's an autoresponder message. Um, and so what I'll do is I'll just message those people, like 100 of them, see who to get in contact with. All right. Write a proposal. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right. And you're going to build them a sales funnel using ClickBank or Wix. Now you can build a simple landing page. I'm going to show you that in another video. It's a whole lot of content. You can build a simple landing pages using ClickFunnels or Wix, where you're collecting people basic information. After you collect their basic information, you can have that information to automatically be published onto a spreadsheet or send them a notification to their phone. So what I'm telling you to do is you build them a funnel using Wix or ClickFunnels, and you drive traffic and they get leads. So once you get them the leads, then they're like, okay, wow. Now you put your price on top of that. So is let's say you charge $1,000 or $500, because a lot of people that does credit repair, a lot of them have a lot of money and a lot of them don't have a lot of money. So I could say, let's say credit repair pages, right? And from there, I could charge these people a set rate. I could say, hey, for the funnel that I built you, and it generates, let's say, uh, it generate her list everybody like 10 leads a day, right? So with those 10 leads that everyone's getting, I can charge every business $300 to continue. And so I can look at this like $300, $300, $300, $300, $300, $300, $300. So I can make probably like around, with 10 people, I could probably make like around $3,000 just copy and pasting messages. So if I send messages to like 100 people, 200 people, or even 300 people, which is highly possible, all right, with the strategy of how we're doing it, you send 300 people in the credit repair business, right, using fan pages, a message to their fan page. All right. 300 messages out here. And then you charge every one of them. Like, you give them results first. After you give them results, you cash out and say, hey, if you want me to continue, I built this simple page that's generating leads for you. And I'm doing this strategy to make it works. And this is how it's working. And I'm generating you leads on autopilot for your business. If you want more details on how this works, most definitely it's going to cost this amount. And you charge them that $300 and boom, you got a new client, new client, new client, new client, new client. You come out with, let's say, 30 new clients and they're all charging all of them $300. So that's like around $9,000 a month that you're making off of 30 clients, just paying you, a set fee of $300 a month. Subtract ad costs. Now, how you lower the ad costs and you distribute the leads evenly, you use softwares like, let's say, Jotform, right? And you duplicate a form for all the customers come out. So you can literally use Jotform to do this. Um, and you rotate all the landing pages on one rotator where every customer is filling out the same information. You see what I'm saying there? And now you're collecting leads, you building a funnel on something simple, and you're giving them notifications where they can manage it. All right. So this is one thing I would recommend. Whether you do Wix, you can do website services, you can do funnels, you can do lead generations with this strategy. I know it's a little complicated, and if you want more in depth, even if you don't understand in this video, just join the group or add me on Facebook. So most definitely by now you should know, if you're in the group already, just add me on Facebook and I will break it down to you a whole lot more simpler there. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the gist of this video. I hope you understand it. I hope it's not too complicated. I will see you in the next video.